I'm Bill Forrest. I'm the principal realtor at Forrest & Company at Palmer House Properties. Today we are at the fabulous Concorde. It is Buckhead's best value in a high-rise living by far, even more so now. Wait till you see their brand new renovations that they're finishing up. It makes this building unbelievably gorgeous. It also has one of the best gyms I have ever seen in Buckhead. Check it out. Hey, one of the great things about the Concorde is it's got a back gate that opens up to here, the Beach Shopping Center, where everything is walkable. And if that's not enough, you go to Buckhead, Atlanta, just a few more steps away. But check out everything, it's at your doorstep. Now that you've seen what Concorde has to offer, you can see all of the available properties for sale at concordeatl.com. If you want a VIP tour, we'd love to show you the Concorde and what all it has available in person. You can do that by going to buying.billforrest.com. Forrest & Company, it's the art of delivering more, where it's not just a slogan, it's a way of life. We look forward to helping you find that ideal home. Have a great day.